Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I was waiting for that other video to load on Blend a Path, and I thought, what if you use two different colors? So I just wrote out some text to make it a little more difficult. So this is like a real light gray, this is black. Let's select both those and let's blend them just 4 times. Put apply. Go down to new path and put it on the path, and then blend along full path and rotate all objects. That's a little bit too many. Let's go 3 blends. Hit apply. And here you have it going away. I mean, I'm not saying you'd ever do it with text, but you could do it with stars. Let's just back up here and do it with some stars or petals of a leaf, but I'm going to use stars. So let's make a 5-sided star, make it a little smaller, fill that in with black, no outline, Control D, make a duplicate, make that a light gray, select both of them, let's just blend 3, apply to new path. Now you want to blend along full path and rotate all objects. That way it kind of looks like it is falling, you know, like the star is going away. It could be petals on the leaf and on a branch, and these leaves would be a little less colored. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.